Your neighborhood do-it-best store is your best source for friendly service, expert advice, and innovative products like these. I'm with Eric from Fiskars, and he is going to amaze us with his strength, or at least the strength of this tool. Tell us about it, Eric.
So right here we got our Fiskars PowerGear Lopper, right? So it's patented technology. It's a gear system that helps with the hard part of the cut. It's not the initial part, it's powering through the cut, and that's where these gears actually engage.
Can you show us? Can you prove it?
Quick demo for you.
All right, so I think Eric's going to grab like your standard run-of-the-mill loppers. Tell us about these.
Correct. So this is just a single pivot lopper, right? Just one pivot point. This is what you'll buy at any typical hardware store.
Yep.
So like I said earlier, the hard part isn't the initial cut, right? Getting into it is no problem. The hard part, trying to power through.
Right. And we've all like tried to stick it in our armpit and use our leg and like push down. Right, exactly.
Exactly.
And so now let's show it with the Fiskars PowerGear2.
Right. So you'll see the gears engage and watch how easy this is, right?
Seriously, you didn't even like grimace.
No sweat, right? The tool works for you instead of working against you like our competitors here.
That's awesome. And what about warranty on this?
So everything with the Fiskars brand is lifetime warranted, right? So we stand behind everything that we make and lifetime warranty.
That's awesome. That's Fiskars, and that's available at your neighborhood do-it-best. This is just a sampling of the more than 67,000 items available from your friendly neighborhood do-it-best store. Check them out today.